Hey everybody, my name is Jake Warner with Forms in Motion. Today I'm going to show you how to do just a basic PDF upload that will allow you to convert forms to a digital format for electronic submission. Let's go ahead and get started.
This electronic form is able to be submitted through the Forms in Motion web application, embedded on a website, or sent out via a secure email link. For this example, I'll be using this 760 PDF form here found on the Virginia Tax website, but the application is industry agnostic, so you can upload any form type no matter what field you're in. So this 760 PDF form is actually fillable, but there's not any sort of rules validation being performed on the form. There's also no workflow associated with it, and we can't upload this into any backend system or file structure upon submission. In order to perform workflow, handle that rules validation, and upload into another system, I'll need to get this form into Forms in Motion, which is where we're going to turn our focus to next. So let's go ahead and jump into the Forms in Motion application. So we're going to hit the Forms in Motion URL. I'm going to come down here and log in as the FimDemo user. And it'll take me to the main user page where you'll see three sections: packages, saved, and received. Packages is just basically all of the forms that you have access to. A package is technically just a subset of forms, so this PDF forms demonstration package is what we're going to be working with today. And it's the only package that this user has access to. If I have multiple, I am able to search in the search box here, but in this case I only have access to that one package. The save section in the middle is where if I'm working on a package and I want to either save it, let's say either go to lunch, or if I need to go find something, like take a picture and attach it to the submission, I can do so. And then on the received section on the right is where any workflow that this user is a part of. So if I received an expense report from one of my employees and had to approve that, that's where that will come into play. All right, so now we want to go through the process of actually uploading this 2018 Virginia resident tax form into the Forms in Motion site. Over here on the left, there's that package that we were talking about a second ago, but right now there's no form associated with this package, so it doesn't know what I'm trying to fill out. So in order to upload this form here into the Forms in Motion system, you can either come up here to the settings, click on packages, or directly on the package I can hit this edit button here. This is only available to administrators. So if I click on that, it opens up the configuration screen for this specific package that I'm working with. You can see that there's a lot of different options associated with the package, but in today's demonstration we're just going to focus on this form section and uploading an existing form. So I'm going to come in here and upload that Virginia Tax PDF. So load that into the system. It says that it's currently active, when it was last updated, and then also the version number. So we're keeping some sort of audit detail, audit history on the actual package. So I'll jump back and save this guy, and then we'll go back to my home page, click on PDF form demonstration again, and now I have the option to fill this form out within the application. So I'll type in a couple fields. If there's any signature on the form, there is signature functionality built into the application as well. I can access the other pages directly from here. If there are any other forms in this package, it would also pop up above these page numbers. I can upload any additional documentation that we would need to submit along with this package. If I wanted to download this form as the user and either print it off or save it to my desktop, I could do so. And then save this form and come back to it at a later date if I needed to leave and maybe go find another attachment or couldn't submit it at the current moment. But in this case, I'm just going to close out this demonstration by hitting the submit button here.
Now that the form has been uploaded, we can integrate with any additional systems, perform any real-time data lookups or validation, as well as attach an additional documentation or download that original PDF. For more information, please go to formsinmotion.com.